Good morning, Morgan, and good morning to any of Morgan's friends that are joining us for today's video. In today's video, we're going to talk about the file environment that Visual Studio should have created for us. We're going to assume that it is created, but I want to sit there and we want to talk about the various files. Okay? With that, let's get our reading started.
If your background is in plain old PHP, with no use of modern frameworks, you're probably used to putting code under the web server's document root, in a place such as /var/www. With Django, you don't do that. It's not a good idea to put any of this Python code within your web server's document root, because it risks the possibility that people may be able to view your code over the web. That's not good for security. Put your code in some directory outside of the document root, such as /home/mycode.
All right, so we've got this mycode file, and underneath that file, we have another file called myfile, and a Python file called manage.py. And underneath that second MySite file, we have these 5 other files. Now let's find out about these files.
These files are: the outer MySite/root directory is a container for your project. Its name doesn't matter to Django, you can rename it to anything you like. Manage.py, a command line utility that lets you interact with this Django project in various ways. You can read all the details about manage.py in Django admin and manage.py. The inner MySite/directory is the actual Python package for your project. Its name is the Python package name you'll need to use to import anything inside it, e.g. mysite.urls. mysite/__init__.py, an empty file that tells Python that this directory should be considered a Python package. If you're a Python beginner, read more about packages in the official Python docs. mysite/settings.py, settings/configuration for this Django project. Django settings will tell you all about how settings work. mysite/urls.py, the URL declarations for this Django project, a table of contents of your Django-powered site. You can read more about URLs in URL Dispatcher. mysite/asgi.py, an entry point for ASGI-compatible web servers to serve your project. See how to deploy with ASGI for more details. mysite/whiskey.py, an entry point for WSGI-compatible web servers to serve your project. See how to deploy with WSGI for more details.
All right, now, we don't really know anything about these files other than their location for now. But here's the exciting part. By the time this series is over, we will intimately know all about these files and what's in them. They're going to become our best friends. All right? And with that, today's video is a short but sweet. Rest up your brains because we've got about 38, 39 more videos to go. Okay? So with that, we're going to end the video. You guys behave. Don't get in too much trouble. Don't throw any rocks at police cars or anything like that. And we'll see you in the next video. Adios.